Pretty much everyone has heard of charcuterie. If you haven't, well, you could look it up, but it's really just a nicely presented board of meats and cheeses and fruits and nuts and things that you can really enjoy. Kind of just walking by, taking some, putting it on a plate. Really, it's a great snack around Christmas, the holidays. But today I'm going to take that and do it a little differently. I'm going to combine it with, well, something that you might see grilling, which is kebabs. We're going to make some charcuterie kebabs. And what we're starting with here is a whole bunch of charcuterie ingredients. I've got some chunks of dry salami, I have some cantaloupe, I have some grilled Greek olives here, some pepper jack cheese, some Cotswold cheese, I have some provolone, and these are pieces that I've cut in half because we're going to be rolling them to put them on the skewers. I have some prosciutto, I also have some Parma salami. And right here, this is pistachio dust. Now, what I did was I took some shelled pistachios, put them in my grinder, my little spice grinder, ground them up to get a dust because we're going to roll the cantaloupe in them to sort of bring the nuts onto the kebabs. So let's move this to the side and start building our charcuterie kebabs. Now, ingredients in this are completely up to you. These are just what I'm using, and you can stagger them in any arrangement you want. So don't worry about being uniform. If you want to be different, go ahead. I'm probably going to be uniform today. First thing we're going to start with is some provolone. Now, this is pretty thick. I should have had this cut thinner, but what we're going to do is we're just going to take it and roll it. Now, I'm going to roll it fairly tight. Take my skewer, go through that, and don't worry if it breaks a bit. Next up, I'm going to take a piece of my cantaloupe and roll it around in the pistachio dust. Then we're going to get that on our skewer without stabbing ourselves. Next up, a salami chunk. Going to take one of our grilled olives, a piece of our Cotswold cheese. We're going to take a piece of our Parma salami here, and what I'm going to do is fold it and create it like a little pillow, just like that. Got another piece of our cantaloupe dusted in the pistachio dust. Gonna take a piece of our pepper jack and some prosciutto. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the Parma salami. Create a little pillow. Get another olive on here and another piece of our cantaloupe with pistachio dust. That's all there is to it. You've got a nice piece of a charcuterie board on a skewer. Let's do another one. Take a piece of our provolone here. Piece of our cantaloupe. Salami chunk. Grilled olive. And this delicious Cotswold cheese. Nice pillow of our Parma salami. Cantaloupe. Just love that green of the pistachio dust. Piece of our pepper jack cheese. Nice prosciutto pillow. Olive. And another piece of cantaloupe to finish it off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and build some more of these and I'll bring you back when we get a look at the finished board with our charcuterie kebabs resting upon it. Well, here is the finished board with our charcuterie kebabs on here. I wanted to decorate it up a little bit. I sprinkled a little bit of that pistachio dust on. Got some blackberries, some candied pecans, just to make it look nice. I mean, this is attempted charcuterie for me, but man, these look delicious. I'm not going to eat everything that's on here for a taste, but I am going to get a piece of this cantaloupe with the pistachio dust because this I want to see. I know what everything else tastes like on here, but adding that pistachio dust to the cantaloupe is an amazing way just to bring a nutty flavor to that fruit. I'm going to be making that pistachio dust again because I can see using that on many things. And this right here is a really quick, easy appetizer to make to take to a Christmas party, a New Year's party, wherever you're going. this is going to be something you and everyone else is going to enjoy.